guys, I'm back with my second video, and today I'm going to be filming a how to glow look. So I'm going to be using a lot of highlighter in this video, and I'm going to show you how I got this glow on my cheeks and all over my face and my eyes and even on my body today. So keep watching and I hope you like it. Thanks. So I've already primed my face and filled in my eyebrows because that's boring and you don't need to see it. And I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation and my NYX liquid highlighter. And I'm going to mix those together on the back of my hand and then apply it to my face. I do this a lot, mixing liquid highlighter into my foundation to give it a more glowy look. Even with matte foundations like this one, I've also done this with the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation, and it just adds a more glowy look, and I like my foundations to be a little more sheer. And I'm just going to blend that in with my Real Techniques sponge. Then I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution concealer and I'm going to conceal under my eyes and around my mouth because that's where I get smile lines and a lot of redness. I'm also going to highlight my chin and my nose. And I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques sponge again. Next, I'm going to take my Bare Minerals Mineral Veil and I'm going to use that with a big fluffy brush to set my eyes. I'm going to take my Tarteist Pro palette and I'm going to use the top two cream and white shades on the left side and the cool toned brown in the bottom row on the left side. And I'm going to buff those into my crease with a Sephora blending brush. Then I'm going to take my Hoola Light bronzer, which is the bronzer I'll be using on my face later, and I'm going to buff that into my crease with the same brush as well. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. highlighter in Coffee and Cream. I'm going to take the coffee side of the duo and I'm going to put that all over my lid with a flat Morphe brush. Then I'm going to take my Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Puff, and I'm just going to put that on my cheeks and on my nose to add a little more color to my face while I make awkward faces in the camera. And I'm going to blend that out with my Real Techniques sponge once again. Now I'm going back into my Hoola Light bronzer and I'm going to bronze my face using a Bare Minerals brush, starting underneath my cheekbones, going onto my jawline and my forehead. Then I like to put a little bit on the sides of my nose instead of contouring. It's just a little lighter. Then I'm going to take my Real Techniques sponge once again and blend all of this into the skin to give it a more natural look. then I'm going to raise my eyebrows awkwardly into the camera while I hold up my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter. It was created by Jaclyn Hill, and it was the first highlighter I ever bought. I'm just going to put that on my cheekbones with an Eco Tools fan brush. Also going to dust it a little bit on my forehead and my chin, and then I'm going to take a small brush and I'm going to put it on the bridge of my nose and on my inner corners of my eyes and on my brow bone. I'm going to dust my Too Faced Love Light highlighter all over my face with a giant Too Faced powder brush. This gives a much more natural highlight and glow to the face, so I'm just going to lightly dust this, not too much product, and it's just going to give me a nice all over glow, and I'm going to set my face with it as I would if I had used setting powder. Next, I'm going to take my NYX Worth the Hype mascara, and I'm going to apply that to my curled eyelashes. And I have the stubbiest lashes on the face of the earth that never like to curl or hold a curl. And this mascara, it's worth the hype. It's pretty great. And here I am showing you a close-up of the difference between my eye with no mascara and my eye with the Worth the Hype mascara. It is amazing. Next, I'm going to take my NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Pink, and I'm going to put a little bit on the corners of my lips, only a little bit in the center, and then I'm going to buff that out with my finger. I don't want it to be too intense. Next, I'm going to take my e.l.f. Prismatic lip gloss in the shade Rose Quartz. And let me tell you, this is the most beautiful lip gloss I've ever put on, and it does have a little bit of a glitter to it, but it's not intense, like it's not chunky and there's no big glitter bits all over. It just kind of catches the light really nicely, and it's really pretty, and it's like $4. Next, I'm going back into my e.l.f. Coffee and Cream highlighter, and I'm going to take the cream side on a little tiny brush, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone again along with the bridge of my nose, and then I'm going to take my fan brush and just gently go over the highlight on my cheeks just to make it a tiny bit brighter because my middle name is Extra. Then I'm going to take my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter one more time on my fan brush, and I'm going to highlight my collarbone and my shoulders. This is the final look. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below telling me what you want to see next. Also, please follow my Instagram at _pale_ness. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.